here in the bottom of a well with Rob. Rob, what are you doing down there? Explain to us.
Freshwater spring well for the guys. I've got about another meter to go now.
Okay. What, like, I guess the tsunami came in and, like, put all kinds of rubble and stuff in their well, right?
Buried everything, buried the well.
So, like, check this. Rob was out here all day by himself yesterday. It was level yesterday, and he's dug all the way enough so he can stand. Look at that big pile of rock. This is why we call him the human bulldozer. See, we're not joking around. Check this out, just all yesterday. So we're gonna take this water in for them to the Hokenjo, the health center, and have it tested to see if they can use their well from now on. Craziness. Just another day in the life. Moto yoshi.